Hey all, welcome back to the GMT channel. So today we'll discuss about the chart of account. So do you know what is chart of account in private equity? So welcome back to the channel where we are make private equity and finance in simple. If you are managing the money, investing, just loving or learn how the big fund stay organized, you need to understand the chart of account, and this term is very important in the private equity. Let's break it down. What is chart of account? COA. Think of the chart of account as a backbone of the financial reporting. It is a structured list of all the account categories such as asset, liability, income, expenses used in the fund in the financial record. It's like a ultimate checklist that keep PE fund finance crystal clear. So it gives the overview of all the financial record that are maintaining into the PE fund, maybe the buying, selling, acquiring, merger. All the information should be recorded in the financial records in the category of asset, liability, income, and expenses. So impact on the statements. So how it get impact into the statement, let go through it. So accurate financial reporting give the accurate, no missing number, no mismatch transaction will be there, or no dupes of the transaction will be there in this term. Error prevention helps create solid balance sheet and income statement. Regulatory compliance essential for the audit and the investor confidence. No one want accounting surprise at the end moment when when the audit will be going on. So this COA chart of account helps to in the three major financial reporting, error prevention, and the regulatory compliance as well. But but here is a twist. CO are not one size fit for all. Different fund structure mean different COA. A deliver LP might require specific sub account that a claim and fund does not. So understanding this difference is a key to staying uh, in the PE fund market. So different fund have different checklist they have to maintain. So in this term the GP will help out to make the checklist what they required. According the allocation will be decided in the COA, means chart of account, and then you can measure out your main financial record, asset, liability, and income and expenses. So there is some example as well. Take the TPG Capital, a global PE giant. Their operation span multiple regions. They are highly detailed COA to keep financial reporting seamless across all market where are the dealing with the million organization is everything. So this is a just example. So we move to the one example of Excel file, how it measures and what are the parameter are the taken to measure this all the thing. So here we see that a PE firm, the COA might include account of investment, management fee, credit interest, and partner contribution. So these are the four main term in the PE firm. How in this mainly all the things are mentioned about the PE fund. So we take a four main term. So investment opening balance is 50 million and the transaction has been done for minus 10, means they have some buy or acquire something or maybe invest in some small thing. So closing balance is the 40 million. The management fee opening will be 25 million and the transaction is 2 million. The 7 million is closing balance. Credit interest they have given opening balance is 5, they have given 5 as a credit interest to GP. So the closing balance is 15 and the partner contribution opening balance is 20, then again they have 10 and total 30 million is the contribution. So this all give the clear picture after the transaction happen in the PE firm. So this goes the overall value at the current level and this should be recorded in each part. So there are many things that you can record according to your firm fund structure. So investment decrease due to the portfolio adjusted. Management fee increase as fees collected from the investor. The carried interest grow as a profit are realized. the partner contribution increase as a new capital is added. So this is a just example that we have given, and we maintain as a note narration also here that why it increase or decrease. So accordingly you have to find the checklist in your PE fund, why is reducing and why is increasing, and the final whatever the closing balance should be recorded accurately, and should be in the manner that is not mislead or maybe dupe of all the things. So this is all about the chart of account discussed in this term. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet you on the next video.